To file taxes for a small business, the first thing you'll need to do is organize your financial records. So you would gather your income records, bank statements, expense, receipts, payroll records, and 1099 forms and accounting reports as well. Most small businesses use bookkeeping software such as Xero or QuickBooks. And the next step is to calculate your business profit. So a basic formula is your business revenue minus your business expenses equals your net profit. And business deductible expenses include equipment for your business, software, advertising, office expenses, etc. And the next step is to file the correct tax forms. For sole proprietor or single member LLC, usually you will need to file Form 1040 and Schedule C and Schedule SE. And the next step is to pay the taxes. So depending on the business, there is an income tax, there is payroll tax, there is self-employment tax, and there is sales tax. And many small businesses must make quarterly estimated tax payments. And you can read more about that if you search for estimated taxes in the IRS website. And the last step is to file electronically. So you can use tax software such as TurboTax or H&R Block or Free Tax USA or Tax Act for Business. And some important things small businesses often forget are tracking expenses properly and quarterly tax payments and contractor 1099 filings and any payroll taxes, and also separating personal and business finances, which seems to be very common for small businesses. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.